Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations. Back today with another video. I'm going to do a Dutch pour with my hairdryer. And I have my white down. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas. I'm using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic that you get at Michael's. Floetrol and water, too thin. Colors today will be Artist Loft Ultramarine, Anthraquin by Golden. This is probably my favorite blue ever. This is Blue Turquoise by Pebeo. Amsterdam Expert Series Phthalo Turquoise. Master's Touch Emerald Green, a little green in there, and a little Blue Quartz by Fluidart. This is a really cool color. And then I will probably put in my 24 karat gold by DecoArt. That's the Extreme Sheen. Okay, so let's start putting down the colors. I'm going to put down my dark blue first. Okay, filled it up. Okay, so I have some streaks here that I'm just going to dab out with the white on my finger. Because I don't want that there. That's okay. All right, this is pretty. I like it. Very pretty. There's some cool things going on here. I will keep it. I won't scrape it. If you all watched my other videos, you know that I like to, with my Dutch pours, I like to just blow it out with my mouth, with my own breath, because I just feel like you get a more control in your blowout. Looking to see if I have one here that I can show you what I mean. Gosh, I have so much stuff in my art room right now. It's just crazy. Guess I don't. Oh wait, it's too big for me to grab for you to show you. But anyway, you can go back. I'll link a video here so you can see what I mean if you haven't seen my other Dutch pour videos. Just remember to go and run your finger along the bottom because you want to stop the paint, especially like this is going over here. I want to stop it from going over. I don't want it to ruin the design that I got. I mean, it might change a little bit, but for the most part, this is pretty. It's very, very pretty. The colors are really pretty together. And I love this. It looks like little jewels here. But I want it to stop. Stop going over. All right. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And remember, if you're want to get into the giveaway, it is the video prior to this. I'll link it right here. And if you're new here, subscribe and like on that video, not on any other video, on that video. And you can enter to win the 2 prizes. One is a tote bag with my art on it, and the other is a one of my alcohol ink paintings. So go over there and watch that video and like and subscribe on that video, and you have to go and follow me on Instagram. That's the rule for this giveaway. Other than that, have a great one, and hope you and thanks for stopping in and watching. All right, bye bye.